Henry Ford launched Ford Motor Company in 1903. But the true game-changer rolled out in October 1908. The Model T was a car for the great multitude, rugged enough for dirt roads yet simple to fix and cheap to build. Priced at about $825, it let families who had only dreamed of owning an automobile climb behind the wheel. The public responded in a frenzy. By 1918, every second car in the United States was a Tin Lizzie. And Ford's hand-built shops could not keep pace with orders that poured in, faster than he could fill them. Determined to slash costs and speed production, Ford borrowed an idea from meatpacking conveyors, and in 1913 installed a moving assembly line at his Highland Park plant. Each chassis rolled past rows of workers, and the job of building a car was broken into 84 quick tasks. Assembly time plummeted from 12 hours to roughly 90 minutes. At peak, a new car rumbled off the line every 24 seconds. Standardized parts and relentless flow sent manufacturing costs tumbling, and the Model T price fell year after year. Efficiency carried a human bill. Chained to one station repeating a single motion, workers quit in droves. In 1914, Ford stunned the business world by doubling wages to $5 a day and trimming the shift to 8 hours. Far from ruin, the policy drew thousands of skilled laborers to Detroit, stabilized turnover, and lifted output so high that the plant ran 3 shifts around the clock. Journalists called the blend of mass production and high pay Fordism, and rival factories soon copied it. Lower prices changed more than paychecks. By 1925, a Model T cost about $260, turning car ownership into a rite of passage for clerks, teachers, and farmers. Americans could live beyond streetcar lines. Fueling suburban growth and roadside diners, rural families hauled milk to town and then drove to Sunday picnics miles away. The automobile age redrew the social map and pumped money into steel mills, rubber plants, and road construction. Yet Ford's obsession with one plain model left an opening for competitors who offered bright colors and new styles. Sales slid, until Ford finally stopped Model T production in 1927, after more than 15 million had been built, and launched the sleeker Model A. In less than 2 decades, one stubborn idea had reshaped wages, weekends, and the very landscape of the nation, proving that an affordable machine on 4 wheels could roll an entire country into the modern world.